we headed to right now?
Howdy, how's it going, everyone? Welcome to General RV of Ocala.
Look who we found on the side of the road.
Not doing anything, just milking the clock.
So we were driving on our way to Tampa from Jacksonville, and somehow we wound up at General RV. So Matt has been kind enough to take some time out of his day, and this is the famous golf cart.
The golf cart.
The golf cart, yes sir.
We're not quite sure where he's taking us. We'll see what this day has
God
in plan
only knows
for us.
where we're going.
Well, we're gonna take like a little short tour of the dealership, and what we're gonna go look at is what, in my opinion, one of the best diesel pushers, dollar for dollar, on the market today. Don't get me wrong, a lot of people are gonna say, hey, this Tiffin's better, this Newmar's better. I concur, but when you take what you're getting divided by the dollars that you're spending, nobody beats this motorhome that we're about to see.
And we're both very curious to see what this thing, because we haven't really been able to see them without being in a rush at a show.
Right.
And with an expert guiding us.
Absolutely.
Well, you still don't have an expert guiding you.
Stop.
Yeah, here's our dealership.
This is beautiful here.
And actually, we might not have a Discovery LXE.
Oh
here.
no!
It might be at the show.
Oh no!
Uh-oh, change of plans.
There goes the video.
Oh, did I say dollar for dollar? I meant we're gonna be looking at, yeah, no, hang on, we'll still drive around. It might be at the Tampa show.
Oh, we'll have to look at the Reatta.
Plenty other to choose from.
Now see, the Reatta I'm not a super huge fan of, because you're paying a lot of money to have that smaller motorhome, and my opinion's bigger is better. Yeah, we don't have one here.
Uh-oh.
But,
Change of pace.
yeah, change of place.
All right, think on your feet, Mac.
Hi,
Quick.
I'm Matt. And today we're going to take a look at one of the best Integra diesel pushers dollar for dollar. No, I'm not a huge fan of the Reatta XL, personal opinion. You're getting good quality, but it's very small for a diesel, and it's made to compete with the new New Air. What's that called? The Newmar New Air.
The country star.
No. This is better. It's
Oh.
to compete. It's
The small,
higher
the
end.
new airs. The
It
smaller,
has
right?
a Spartan K2 chassis. It has the here it is, the 37K. Has a Spartan K2 chassis. It's a 380 horsepower engine. It has independent front suspension. But my opinion, if you're spending $300,000, you might as well get the biggest one you can get.
I would agree.
But this is for the people who do want one of the smallest diesels out there that's still high-end and luxury. Here it is.
Now this is a what? 37 foot?
37K, yes. It's Integra Reatta XL.
Colors are beautiful.
Yeah.
I love Integra's colors.
Yeah, Integra does it really nice on the color scheme. When's this video going out?
I have no idea. When it gets edited.
Before the show or after the show?
Maybe,
Probably
maybe
right around the beginning.
Yeah, right around the
maybe?
beginning.
Yeah.
Okay, so I do want to make a selfish message here. We sell Integra, but we won't be representing Integra at the show. We sell Winnebago, but we won't be representing them at the Tampa show. But if you find me at the Nexus RV display, we'll be in a big orange tent. We can sell you an Alliance fifth wheel, Integra coach, a Winnebago coach, a Newmar, a Tiffin. It's just you would have to pick it up not at our Tampa location. You might have to come here to Ocala, or if it's like a Tiffin, you go to Jacksonville. But how long did it take you to get here from Jacksonville?
About 2 hours.
2 hours.
Isn't that worth saving $5,000?
I
And the
think
traffic
so.
there is no traffic, so
yeah,
it's
but
pretty
you do
good.
have to drive through the creepy Ocala forest, which is very creepy at nighttime.
Well, I won't get into it now.
Check it out.
Oh, look at the fireplace.
So this is quite nice inside.
This is really nice.
Oh, thank you.
I'm liking. Oh, this is nice. I like this. What? How many feet?
37.
37. Oh, okay.
Yep.
So that's what we have.
Which it's long for gas motorhome, but it's actually considered very short for a diesel motor.
Right.
Couple of things I like in here right away. So porcelain floors.
Porcelain tile floor.
Yeah,
yes.
really like that. I like the updated cockpit. It's
Okay.
on a Spartan.
The screen.
I like the screen. I like
Nice.
that there's cabinets up top. And these are hardwood cabinets, which are nice.
Yeah, a lot better than those softwood cabinets.
I don't like these, but that's just
Yeah,
an
no,
aesthetic thing.
that's funny. That's
Yeah.
what I said in the video when I reviewed this one.
Yeah.
I didn't like the cushion. It's not necessarily the color scheme, just like what they did there.
Yeah, it's a
weird.
little odd.
We do have a TV on a nice elevator, which I like.
Super nice.
And this is a very small motorhome, and it has 4 slide outs as well. So
That's
it's short
nice.
and stout.
This is
Room
what
in
I
here.
wish we had on ours, is this. Just that little bit adds a lot of,
Pull out peninsula.
yep. Hey, easy there. All right. This also is a lot better than ours. I'm comparing it to ours. The space, right?
Now this is an
it's-
all-electric coach, right?
Yes, sir. All electric coach. No propane on it. Just really, really nice. It has the type of water heater. I'm blanking because I'm around celebrities right now. So
I think it's an Aquahot
stop.
250. I think.
Is it a 250 or
I
400?
think it just-
I think it's 400.
I think just because I read it this morning.
This is my
okay.
favorite part so far. Isn't it
Yeah,
beautiful?
that's nice.
That's beautiful. The lighting in here. That's gorgeous.
10,000
And the frosted
pound
glass.
hitch. It can tow 10,000 pounds.
I have a beard and no comments. Okay.
Fireplace.
I'm digging this too. This is nice. This
Recliners.
table,
Yeah, find it.
right? I like this.
We'll
a
just
lot.
go underneath and find that.
Yeah, we'll
Let's
find
see.
it when we go underneath.
Oh, these are I
And
like
even
that.
the finishes here, like the wallpaper's
yep.
nice, modern.
The
The lights,
lights
sconces,
are
is that what
the
they're called?
sconces,
Light
yeah.
sconces.
Yes.
Beautiful.
All right, let's move on. It does remind me of the New Air,
Yeah,
right?
no, that's what
it
it's
totally
100%.
does.
Yep.
Just $150,000 less.
Right.
Right.
Ah, look at that. That's nice.
Nice French door refrigerator.
What's the MSRP on this? You said that's where you were-
MSRP.
Brr, brr, brr.
MSRP on this motorhome here is $377,514
Ding.
MSRP.
But
Sale price, we don't have it right this second. I'll tell you in a few seconds. Keep on looking, I'll tell you.
Let's go. Bathroom. Nice.
single bath.
All right, this is interesting. Matt, tell me if you found this too. This is an extraordinary low toilet, it seems.
Maybe that's where they put it on a step.
Yeah, I'm fine with it though.
Yeah, but it just seems a lot lower than I've seen in others. I could be wrong.
So here's going to be the drawback of something that's 37 feet. It's going to be the size of this bathroom.
Right.
This
Well,
is a
that's-
tight bathroom.
That's
Yeah.
what the one thing about ours that we said we didn't care for.
I got a sale price.
Go
But
ahead.
Sale price is 23% off to $289,998. That is a phenomenal sale price. But Izzy, we can get everybody in America an even better price than that. Izzy, tell everybody what to do.
You can call, you can text, you can FaceTime.
You forgot email.
An email.
Oh my God, you blew it.
MJ, tell everybody what to do.
You can call, you can text, you can email. FaceTime.
You know what?
No, do it one more time.
Okay,
Take
okay.
3.
MJ, tell everybody what to do.
You can call, you can text, you can email, you can FaceTime.
Hey, 301-906-0962. That's my personal cell number. Or just go to the website, MattsRVReviews.com, and click one of the 3 contact tabs. Let me know you saw it on Endless RVing, and we'll get you the best price in America.
On to the bathroom.
We should call this the Endless RVing and Matt's RV Reviews comedy show instead of RV tour because
We
there's
should do
more
that.
more laughing than, oh, this is a nice height of a shower. There's not a lot of width though, but you got the height in here.
Yeah, that's pretty
Right?
tight if you're
Yeah.
Yeah,
bigger.
but this is not.
Well, if you're bigger, all you do is soap the walls down, and then you do a 360.
Squeeze yourself in.
Yep, exactly.
But it's a one-piece fiberglass, which is nice.
Yep.
Yep.
Very cool.
Well, my opinion, I actually don't think that's nice because, again, in this price range, you're competing with products that have tile showers at that point.
Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
But the new wear in this price is around $450,000. A little different, but
I love the new air, but I
Right.
definitely think it's overpriced.
and it's small.
Right, for
It's
the size,
small.
yeah.
On to the bedroom.
All right, well here,
Now,
I just want to see
Is
this.
this video going to be just on this unit? Because there is another unit that I want us to take a look at.
Sure. We'll do that one
Like
better.
But will that be a separate video, or will
you want to do
all
a
be one?
comparison or
No. It's just a
then
gas motor.
we'll do separate then.
Okay, perfect.
Here's some nice cabinets. One thing I don't like about this, and again, it's because you're missing space. They're very narrow. There's not a lot of room. You know how like on ours, you can fit cereal boxes and things like that. This is, you don't really have that much room in here.
This,
wow.
This looks almost identical to ours. And what happens all the time with ours when we're
This
driving?
opens.
Yeah.
Swings open.
Yeah.
I know like
There's water bottles
some of the
rolling down.
newer ones, they have them like you can push it and click. So hopefully
Right.
that kind of
Yeah.
goes down.
What are you saying a wow for?
So part of the reason why I don't like microphones is because I've done like 3 videos where I thought they were on and then they were off.
Yeah.
But what you guys have there, you have
It
that
moves.
thing. Right.
Let us know.
Yes.
Yeah. No, I'm going to get that later.
And one time we...
And guess what? I'm going to use Izzy and MJ's Amazon affiliate link down below to buy it.
So when Matt starts sounding a lot better,
Yep. It'll be because of Izzy and MJ.
I just looked at
yeah.
myself. My hair. Yeah.
Your hair looks fine.
All right, let's
check
go.
out the bedroom.
Okay. Oh, I like the 2 mirrors. That's something that
That's
we are
nice.
missing from ours is mirror.
and there's a lot of space in
A lot of space. This, the drawers. We didn't really open every drawer outside. I know we're gonna hear it from people, but that's okay. This is for fun today.
That slides to the right.
here. Don't break it. Washer dryer.
Yes, sir.
There
Stats.
you go.
Stackable
Nice.
washer dryer. Nice.
Nice. I look forward to having that one day.
And a nice
Step up. Ooh,
rear
nice
closet. Safe in there? Let's see.
Here. No safe. Oh, this is nice. Good, nice and roomy. A lot of my clothes,
Yeah, you could definitely
ladies.
fit a lot
Or
of stuff
guys.
in here.
Yeah, if you.
And this is a king size.
Yes, king size bed.
Now this goes up.
It does tilt
does, it's
up. It
recliner.
does have to
Ooh, this
tilt up
goes-
before the bed come in.
This goes back far.
See, I
That's-
don't like that because I have little arms, and if something small rolls back there, it's gone.
It's not made for
Well,
a
you gotta get
T-Rex.
those extension arms.
Yep,
Like
yep,
the ones
yep.
they test the dogs with.
Oh yeah.
No, the little grab handles. You know, the things that you. But I like that you can fit a lot of stuff in there. Oh, this is all nice. Yeah, nicely made.
And then we do have the Whisper Quiet air conditioning system. That Izzy made a
Yep.
comment that he doesn't like them, but I like them.
No, we do like Whisper Quiet, but you just don't like the way
The
that's.
squares. I like
yeah.
the little circles.
Oh, okay.
That's just me.
Izzy's picky.
Yeah, yeah. Cool. So you want to look at the storage on the outside?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's look at that.
All right, so let's take a look at some of the outside features. First, you are going to have a Cummins Onan 10,000 diesel generator on the slide-out tray. Nice bus-style mirrors with cameras integrated in both mirrors. And then this is what's nice. Nice pass-through storage on a K2 raised rail chassis. What's really impressive about Spartan, the reason why a lot of people like it is because the independent front suspension, it is going to drive better than one of the Freightliner chassis. With that said, does that mean you should get a Spartan over the Freightliner? I don't know, because in my opinion, yes, the Spartan's going to drive better, but is it worth that additional price increase? To some people it is, to other people it isn't. I'm a big fan of always saving money.
Yeah, there is some nice storage
Oh,
with the
that's
slide-out
awesome.
tray.
Yeah. Yep.
And yes, the raised rail will give you a lot of storage in here.
And then a lot of people might be watching this saying like, oh, this doesn't look like it's a ton of storage, but it is for such a small motorhome.
No, that's a lot of storage. Definitely.
Cool. Frameless windows, nice power awning with LED lights. What else do you want to see?
TV, that just popped open. That's nice.
Frameless windows, like you said. Also, the paint job in here, they use Sickens paint, I believe.
Sure.
Which, like,
Sounds good.
I don't think it like ever really cures, so it doesn't crack as easy as some of the other paints out there on the market.
Yes. Yes.
So what's back here?
It's going to be some of your electronical components. Then your diesel pusher, diesel in the rear, Spartan K2 300. Also what they do is, they already have this air pump right there or whatever it's called. So if you do have the air brakes on your tow vehicle, it's already prepped for that, which is a big deal.
Nice.
Earlier today that we were like, oh, thank you, Matt. I've learned so much from your video. And I'm like, I don't even dive down to the education part. So right here we have our surge guard protector right there, already built in. And you have a nice 50 amp power cord with a reel. When the power's on. take number 2. So right here we do have our surge guard protector already built into the motorhome. And then this is our 50 amp power cord with a reel. Especially when it gets cold, these power cords get really heavy.
Yeah, they do.
And
God,
even if it's not cold, they're still just heavy. So to be able to push a button and have it automatically retract back in is very, very nice.
That is awesome.
Ours is so bad when because it gets stiff.
Yeah.
And
It
you
does,
can't,
and
like-
you're wrestling it back into the bay.
Yeah, when you're trying to get it, it's so annoying.
Take 3. There you go. You got your Wheaties.
Gotta get the Wheaties.
Keep going down. What do you guys got?
Oh, okay. So we're coming on down. Right here's where you fill up that DEF. Okay. Over here is going to be our wet bay. Does have a macerator. Here's your black tank, flush, potable water fill. Potable.
Whole house filtration too.
Yep.
Nice.
And then this is the AquaHot 250D.
Ah, that's
The
nice.
only reason I know that, Matt, because I read it on your website this morning.
See?
You watched it on MattsRVReviews.
You are educating people.
And then here's the other side of that storage.
Nice.
So there isn't a ton of storage on here. I mean, you have it's
More than what we have.
It's right, but for what it is, But for us, it would work fine,
So if you're in the market for a 37-foot, which you can get in and out, the big advantage is to having something small.
Yeah.
This is a really nice coach.
Yeah.
And Integra's well made.
What would you get, this or a New Air? What do you think?
I wouldn't get either.
But if somebody were going to,
I'd save the money and I'd get the Integra. But see again, I just want to get it. My opinion, you're spending this type of money, I want to get the biggest motorhome that I can. Because my opinion, which is just an opinion, what's 40 feet to 37 feet? What's 45 feet to 40 feet? You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
But there's a lot of people, trust me, they make it because people buy it. There's a lot of people who don't want that. They want to stay. They want luxury. They want nice. They want the independent front suspension at as small as they can.
Yeah. Well, that's why the New Air does so well, right?
Yep.
I mean,
the
that's
New Air is like a mountain air luxury
Yeah,
in a 35-foot
in a smaller
package.
package.
Yeah, with a $450,000 price tag.
Yeah.